Top 5 things to do on a car journey for kids. We have all been there, a long journey ahead, and you have nothing to entertain your children with. Well, I have got you covered with 5 of my favourite things to do on a long trip, other than the classic I Spy and the car sing-alongs. Number 1. Road Trip Bingo. This is a fun game to play in the car. Before the journey, make a list of some items that you could see on the journey. Alternatively, print these resources from the Twinkl website. Each player gets a list and a pen. Looking out the car window, each player can cross out the items on their list when they spot them. The winner is the person who crosses off all the things on their list and shouts bingo. Number 2. Read. Now, this one might seem obvious, but it's amazing how many people don't think of reading because they struggle with travel sickness and therefore they can't read in a car. But I have a solution. Audiobooks are a fantastic way for children and adults to enjoy their favourite books whilst on the move. Download your favourite audiobook before the journey and get listening to a few chapters either as a family or even on a personal phone or tablet. Number 3. Maths games. These can be a lot of fun and get the mind working. A great way to start is the Car Colour Survey, a fun worksheet allowing children to conduct a car colour survey, counting the different colours of the vehicles driving past. Why not make predictions which colour will be the most popular before you start? Another fun maths game is the Car Reg Count. Look at the car in front of you and add up all the numbers together from the number plate. First to get the answer wins. This could also work as multiplication for an extra challenge. Number 4. Family car games. We've just mentioned maths games, but have a look at these ones. One of my favourites when I was younger was 20 questions. The first player thinks of something. It could be an animal, a famous person, a cartoon character, or whatever you like really. All the other players have to take it in turns to ask questions to try and guess what or who it is. Once the 20 questions are up, you each get a guess. There are so many family car games like this one, such as alphabet lists, name game, and there's lots of fun stories games too. Pause the video here to have a read of some of these great ideas. And number 5, activity packs. Why not get some fun activity packs for the road trip? What's great is that Twinkl have some brand new activity packs like this one available on the Twinkl website. This is full of activities from crosswords to word searches and so much more. There's many other different activity packs available on the Twinkl website ready to be printed off. What other fun things do you do on a long car journey? Let us know in the comments below.